K-Line made this passenger car over 20 years ago, but I bought it last week at a local train swap meet near me. It's one of several heavyweight cars I bought that day, each costing only $15. One was nearly mint, but the other two required just a few mechanical repairs before returning to like-new condition themselves. It's in cosmetically great shape, but the rear truck is hanging loose, and the seller mentioned a lighting problem also. Luckily for me, the two missing parts were still in the box, so maybe this will be an easy fix. Six screws hold the frame to the shell, and when it comes apart, I can see that someone has been playing with the wiring. Electrical tape is not usually a good sign. Neither is modeler's tape when it's used to insulate a wired connection. This harness is meant to take AC current from the track, supply it to a bridge rectifier inside the shell, and then power LEDs for marker lights and a drum head. I'll remove it from the circuit for now, as I think the previous owner may have crossed some wires. I'll simplify this all to operate the internal lighting only and fix the LED problem later. Some of the old wiring was too short, so I'll remove it and install fresh new lengths of red and black wires. I might enjoy rewiring this whole thing in the future when I reconnect the LEDs. I think they would be a really cool feature at the end of this car. But for now, I'll settle for tidying up the old wiring and be content with the 4 incandescent interior bulbs. Reinstalling the post and C-clip solved the hanging truck problem, and the shell and frame are now ready to be reunited. I now pronounce you body and base. You may ride the rails. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.